Welcome back to AutRev Pulse. The Dreamer D53 Fun starts around $78,000 in the US market depending on options and dealer prep. That's competitive positioning for a premium compact camper van that delivers real 4-person capability in a roughly 20-foot package. 6'7" tow, 2. Dreamer is part of the respected Rapido group out of France, and they've built a solid reputation for smart, high-quality van conversions on Fiat Ducato chassis. In the States, these come through specialized importers, and the D53 Fun sits in that sweet spot between full-size Class B motorhomes and basic cargo van builds. Walk around the outside and it looks clean and modern. The 599-meter length keeps it maneuverable for city streets and national park roads, while the raised roof gives it that classic camper silhouette without feeling overly tall. You'll notice the nice paint finish, good panel gaps, and practical touches like the awning, bike rack prep, and exterior storage compartments. It's not flashy, but it looks well put together and ready for real use. Minor thing, some of the plastic trim pieces feel a bit European basic, but they hold up fine. Inside, the quality level is where this van starts to shine. Dreamer uses good materials, soft touch surfaces, solid wood cabinetry, and thoughtful lighting. The layout is smart. 4 real travel seats up front, then a spacious living area that converts nicely. The kitchen has a proper cooktop, decent fridge, and workable counter space. What really impresses is the bathroom, separate shower and toilet in a compact footprint that doesn't feel cramped. The rear double bunk setup is clever and actually comfortable for adults or kids. On the road, the 2.2-liter Blue HDI diesel with around 140 horsepower feels adequate rather than exciting. Paired with the automatic transmission, it handles highway cruising well and has enough grunt for mountain passes when you're loaded. Fuel economy lands in the mid-20s mpg range on longer trips, which is respectable for something this heavy and capable. The ride is composed thanks to the Ducato's chassis, comfortable enough for all-day drives without beating you up. It's not sporty, but that's not what you're buying it for. Wind noise at highway speeds is noticeable but typical for this class. E70141. Performance-wise, it's about efficiency and usability more than straight-line speed. The diesel pulls cleanly once spooled up, and the handling stays predictable even when you're carrying gear for 4 people. It's genuinely fun to drive for a camper, light enough on its feet to enjoy twisty roads without white-knuckling. Technology is modern, but not over the top. You get a solid infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, backup camera, and the usual driver assists. Nothing groundbreaking, but everything works reliably. The living area has good USB ports, decent lighting controls, and a practical control panel for water, power, and heating systems. Safety features include the latest Fiat Safety Suite, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and stability control that works well with the higher center of gravity. It's not loaded with every possible airbag like some luxury vans, but it feels secure for family travel. Everyday practicality is where the D53 Fun earns its keep. 4 proper beds, 4 travel seats, a big enough fresh water tank, and clever storage throughout make it genuinely usable for weekend trips or longer adventures. The insulation and heating system let you use it comfortably in cooler weather. Drawback? Storage fills up faster than you'd think with 4 people and all their gear, so you have to pack smart. Payload is also something to watch. It gets tight when fully loaded. Abe 021. Overall, the Dreamer D53 Fun stands out as one of the more livable compact camper vans available in the US right now. It's best for small families, couples who occasionally bring friends or kids along, or anyone who wants a premium European-style camper without going full Class B size and price. It strikes an excellent balance between comfort, capability, and drivability that makes it feel special without being fussy. If you're serious about van life but don't want something enormous, this one deserves a serious look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this on a cross-country trip? Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the review, and I'll see you in the next one.